Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about the best slow cookers in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these slow cookers, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Crock-Pot SCCPVL600-R. The Crock-Pot is a 6-quart slow cooker that's become one of the most purchased slow cookers on Amazon due to the fact that this unit has an extremely affordable price, but what's interesting is that this cooker does not look nor perform cheap. First and foremost, the design. This particular model has a sleek and durable, mainly red finished construction that's followed by black accents that are present on its plastic handles, the dial that sits on the centre, and on the dishwasher-safe locking glass lid. So when you see the unit as a whole, you can easily notice the Crock-Pot really does look premium. Moving on, there's also a clip-on lock feature on the lid. That's something that I particularly like because this feature is very helpful. To be more precise, the purpose of the clip-on feature is to ensure that your food will remain intact even if you're moving the cooker from one place to another. But now let's talk about performance. For your information, considering the fact that I'm talking about a 6-quart slow cooker, its capacity is good enough to satisfy the needs of up to 7 people, whereas its control dial will let you have an access to low, warm and high settings so you can use each of them depending on the situation. Namely, the low setting cooks with 223 watts, the warm setting at 62 watts, whereas the high setting cooks at 251 watts, so as you can see you won't be left to use just one or two settings. I'd also like to mention that thanks to its rubber seal that's present on the lid, the cooking process will be very safe since you won't deal with spilling while cooking, and once you're done the next step is to clean the cooker, right? Well, this process is butter smooth indeed, because most of its parts are dishwasher safe, so within a very short period of time the Crock-Pot cooker will shine with elegance like the first time you took it out the box. To conclude, the Crock-Pot deserves your attention because although its price tag is low, its performance is strong enough to compete with most of the mid-range price slow cookers on the market. At number 4, it's the Hamilton Beach 33861. The Hamilton Beach 33861 would be an excellent option for you, especially if you want to keep tight on budget, but would like to invest in a well-made 6-quart programmable cooker that'll ensure that your food will be tasty, properly made and suitable to your cooking style. With regards to the design, this model features attractive stainless steel and black construction with a clear control panel that's divided into 2 sections with a flex cook button that sits in the middle. The left part has a small LCD screen that'll keep you informed regarding the low settings, whereas the right is for the high settings, and there are arrow-shaped buttons and an enter button which you can take advantage of for the setting you like the most. The other components are the glass lid, the dishwasher-safe stoneware, and the handles that'll boost the portability of this unit for your ultimate user experience. Speaking of performance, the Hamilton Beach 33861 with its 6 quarts of volume is spacious enough to let you place 4 pounds of roast, a 6-pound chicken, or in other words enough food for up to 7 people. Once you've placed the food, you can easily choose between the 2 heat settings and the 3 slow cooking options to prepare the food as you want. I'd also like to mention that there's also a clip-tight feature that'll prevent spills that usually happen when you want to take the cooker out of the stove, so I definitely think that Hamilton Beach deserves an applause from all of us. Finally, the cleaning process isn't hard at all because it's stoneware and it's dishwasher safe and you won't spend a lot of time cleaning, which is always welcome. Overall, I recommend you consider the Hamilton Beach 33861 seriously because it's highly programmable, performs really well and offers a great value for its cost. At number 3, it's the Crock-Pot 2100-467. The Crock-Pot 2100-467 was listed on Amazon this year, however its domination has started from the moment it appeared on the market, since it didn't take long before customers found out about its versatility and quality. So if these were the attributes you were looking for, then you found the right slow cooker for you. From a design perspective, this model sports a well-made stainless steel construction that makes this unit durable enough to last for years without letting you notice even a slight decrease, even if you've been cooking with it for a considerably long period of time. If you take a look on the top, you'll notice the elegant yet strong locking lid which will ensure that once you lock it, there won't be a chance of spilling or similar scenarios, a full-sized handle that'll help you and a release dial that'll protect your hands from the release pressure. On the middle there's a large programmable control panel that's divided into 3 parts. The left part is meant for cooking traditional food, in the centre there are multiple buttons that'll grant you a greater control over the cooker, whereas the right side is exclusively meant for choosing the pressure for certain types of food. On the bottom there are 2 feet that'll keep this unit stable, so when you see this unit as a whole, I think you can't be more than satisfied with its design. When it comes to the performance, the Crock-Pot 2100-467 stands out from the other slow cookers on the market because it can output a 70% faster performance than conventional ovens, has 3 advanced features that you can choose between manual pressure, simmer or the boiling function, and when we add its capacity of 6 quarts, it means that this cooker can handle enough food to feed more than 7 people. In conclusion, the Crock-Pot 2100-467 is proof of what versatility means, since this unit is highly capable of cooking meat, beans, peppers, poultry, yogurt and more, and the end results are nothing less than delicious food that can satisfy even the most hardcore gourmands. At number 2, it's the KitchenAid KSC6222SS. The KitchenAid KSC6222SS is pricier than the aforementioned slow cookers, however quality comes for a price, so if you're prepared to invest in a reliable and fast-performing slow cooker that won't disappoint you, then this would be the chance for you. Aesthetically speaking, this unit boasts a durable stainless steel construction that employs an oval-shaped ceramic vessel which is removable and dishwasher safe, a hinged dual-sided lid that comes with twisting handles which will allow you to have a true one-handed operation, and a neatly positioned cord located on the bottom that'll prevent you from dealing with annoying cords when this unit is not in use. On the front bottom, there's a relatively large backlit LCD screen with a circular time button and 4 buttons with as many LEDs that'll notify you of which setting it's currently on. Moving on, the performance is indeed set on the strong side of this cooker because given the presence of the 4 temperature settings, you can experiment and store your favourite food, which will be made really well, so you and your loved ones can truly have an enjoyable experience. I'd also like to add that the 6 quarts of storage is more than enough for cooking soups, tender meats, desserts and more, and when we add the fact that you'll be given a chance to program the slow cooker for a specific cooking time of up to 24 hours, I think you simply can't ask for more from a slow cooker. In addition, I really like the 4th setting named Keep Warm because your prepared food will be held warm for up to 4 hours, and if you're busy with something that keeps you unable to eat right away, once you come home, your food will be there for you, served hot. Lastly, the LCD screen will keep you informed regarding how much cooking time remains as well, and I definitely think that you simply can't ask for more from a slow cooker. Hence, the KitchenAid KSC6222SS is a top-notch option for everyone who's ready to invest in a reliable and programmable slow cooker that can do wonders with your food. At number 1, it's the Breville PR700VSS. The Breville PR700VSS is one of the best, if not the best, slow, multi-function cookers, and I'm sure that you've noticed this name appearing numerous times on the internet. Hence, this has to mean something, right? Well, let's find out what the Breville secret recipe is. Design-wise, the PR700VSS incorporates a fairly compact, brushed stainless steel construction with a wide wraparound moat material that'll help you have a truly convenient and easy cleaning, a safety locking lid along with safety valve and hands-free auto steam release whose presence will be felt instantly when your hands won't be in contact with the released steam. In addition, this unit packs an interactive LCD screen that sits on the top of the control panel, while slightly below there are 3 dials and as many buttons, where each of them will play a specific role throughout the cooking process. On the sides there are 2 smooth handles that'll offer you a steady grip so you won't have difficulty moving the cooker, and finally on the bottom there are 2 durable feet which will ensure that the Breville cooker will sit stable on different surfaces. Moving on, the performance is what got my attention, and at the same time this is the reason why I've listed this product as number 1. If you're curious why, I'd like you to know that if we combine its capacity of 6 quarts, its 11 pressure cooking settings along with the single customizable setting which can be tailored to suit a specific or your favourite recipes, I think you'll be exceptionally satisfied by having this slow cooker in your kitchen. Another great thing about this cooker is the presence of the dual sensors located on the top and bottom, and what's special about them is that they'll play a significant role in distributing accurate information regarding the temperature, so your food will taste exactly as it said in the recipe. In the end, I hope you've gained a deeper understanding regarding the performance and design of this cooker, and honestly, you won't go wrong if you eventually purchase it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.